Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car! It's going so fast! You're right, the BlippiMobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, D.A.B.B.O. We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Hi! Are you here to try out the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race.
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, D.A.B.B.O. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Oh, nice try, D.A.B.B.O. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast! Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can! Only 180 miles per hour now! Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars, plus my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamics.
You and my BlippiMobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain! Do your thing!
You can do it, D.A.B.B.O. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, D.A.B.B.O.
Now you're even faster!
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! I'm blown away! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye-bye, Ricardo!
Bye, Blippi! Bye, D.A.B.B.O. Ciao!